In the shadows of Nigeria's ever-watching media landscape, one voice rose to challenge the powerful, the corrupt, and the untouchable. His name? VeryDarkMan. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) arrested him. Charges? Unknown to the public. Rumors swirled. Was it money laundering? Was it political? What we do know is this: the system wanted him quiet. Nigerians took to the streets of Twitter, TikTok, and Telegram. Some shouted, "Free VeryDarkMan." Others asked, has he gone too far? But one thing united them all: curiosity. What exactly did he do? And then, the turning point. After days of uncertainty, EFCC officials confirmed VeryDarkMan had been granted administrative bail. Now, all that stands between him and freedom is the perfection of his bail conditions. A legal technicality, but a powerful pause in this unfolding saga. He speaks for us. If he's silenced, who's next?
But even warriors must follow the law, right?
Love him or hate him, VeryDarkMan reflects a generation of Nigerians tired of silence, hungry for accountability, and unafraid of confrontation. Will he walk free and speak louder than ever before, or will the system find new ways to shut him down? Only time will tell. This isn't just a story about one man's arrest. It's a battle over freedom of speech, social justice, and the power of truth in the digital age. VeryDarkMan versus the system. The story has just begun. Subscribe for the next chapter in the VeryDarkMan saga.